Hello dear students, here we have a question which we will solve in this video. Which series shows the correct order of the metallic bond strength from strongest to weakest? And here metals are given: sodium, potassium, rubidium, magnesium. And we can see here that sodium, potassium, rubidium are group 1 elements and magnesium is group 2 element. So here in group 1 elements configuration is 3s1, 4s1, 5s1. I'm just showing the electronic configuration for the outermost shell, and in case of magnesium 3s2. So here for group 1 elements valence electrons 1 and for magnesium valence electrons 2. So in the group 1 elements, in this case the cations will be like Na positive, K positive and Rb positive, because they have valence electron 1 and they can lose this valence electron to complete to have the complete octet, and the cation of the metal will be like Na positive, K positive and Rb positive. And in case of magnesium, they will lose 2 electrons and cation will be Mg2 positive. So here we can see that the charge on the cation is more in case of magnesium. So as we know that strength of metallic bonding depends upon the charge of the cation. As the charge on the cation increases, then the strength of the metallic bonding increases, which means the strongest metallic bond will be in case of magnesium metal, because when the charge on the cation increases, then it pulls the delocalized electrons more towards itself, more effectively attracts the delocalized electrons. That's why the strongest metallic bond will be in case of magnesium. So answer can be B option and D option. Next is the remaining group 1 metals: sodium, potassium and rubidium. And in case of the group in the elements or the metals of the same group, metallic bonding, strength of the metallic bonding downwards decreases. Why? Because on moving downwards, the size of the ionic radius, the size of the ions, or we can say ionic radius, increases down the group. So what happens? When the ionic radius increases, the attraction between the cation and the electron decreases, or we can say like here, this is the cation and this is the delocalized electron. So as the ionic radius increases, the distance between the nucleus and the electron increases. That's why the attraction between them decreases and strength of the metallic bonding decreases. So strongest metallic bond in from the magnesium, calcium and rubidium will be in case of sodium. So next will be sodium, then potassium and then rubidium. So answer will be D option. Let's check the mark scheme. Yes, D option is right. So this is how we can solve these types of questions. Thank you so much for watching. All the best.